Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon wireless microphone. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Carefully unbox your new wireless microphone system, ensuring all components are present. Next, fully charge both the transmitter and receiver units. This typically takes about 2 to 3 hours for a complete charge, providing several hours of operation. Finally, identify the appropriate audio input on your camera or recording device, usually a 3.5mm jack. Once charged, power on both your transmitter and receiver. They should automatically pair within a few seconds, indicated by a solid blue or green light. Now, connect the receiver to your recording device. For optimal sound, clip the microphone about 6 to 8 inches from your mouth, centered on your chest. Most systems offer a reliable range of up to 50 feet, giving you plenty of freedom of movement during your recordings. To achieve the best audio quality, always monitor your sound levels. Many receivers have a headphone jack for real-time monitoring, helping you prevent clipping or distortion. Try to record in a quiet environment to minimize background noise. Also, ensure the microphone is positioned so it does not rub against clothing, which can create unwanted rustling sounds. Some microphones include a foam windscreen to reduce plosives and wind noise effectively. If you encounter issues, first check that both units are fully charged and powered on. Confirm they are within the typical 50-foot operational range. If audio is intermittent, try repairing the devices. For maintenance, gently wipe down your microphone with a soft, dry cloth after each use to remove any residue. Store the system in its case to protect it from dust and damage, ensuring its longevity for many recording sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.